Dear students, now we discuss about the new chapter circles. In this chapter, we learn about the meaning of a tangent to a circle. The tangent to a circle is perpendicular to radius through the point of contact. The length of two tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. These are the concepts we learn in this chapter. Next, what is meant by tangents? Tangents means we take one of the circle. This is a circle. PQ is a line which intersect the circle in 2 points A and B. Therefore, this line is called as secant to a circle because this line intersect the circle in 2 points. Therefore, this is called as secant to a circle. The secant intersect the circle in 2 points. But in this figure, we will observe that PQ is a line which touches the circle in only one point. Therefore, this line is called tangent to a circle. This point A is called tangent point of contact. PQ is a tangent, A is a point of contact. Therefore, the tangent touches the circle in only one point. Tangent to a circle. We take, this is a one of the circle A dash and B dash. This is a line which touches the circle in only one point P. But all other lines are tangent, all other lines are intersect the circle in 2 points. Therefore, A dash B dash is a tangent. All other lines are the secant to a circle. In this figure, P dash and Q dash and P double dash and Q double dash touches the circle in only one point. Therefore, these two lines are called tangent to a circle. All other lines are called secant to a circle. Next, we go to theorem 1. In this theorem, we have to prove that tangent at any point of a circle is always perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. The tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. This is the statement of the theorem 1. Data. Let O is this is a circle. O is the center of the circle. P is a point of contact and XY is a tangent. This is the data. O is the center of the circle, XY is a tangent at point P, or O is the center of the circle, XY is a tangent, P is a point of contact. This is the data for the given theorem. Next, we have to prove. We have to prove that the radius means OP is perpendicular to tangent means XY. OP is perpendicular to XY is the to prove. Next, construction. Take a point Q on XY. Take a point Q on XY. Take a point Q on XY. This point is outside the circle. Therefore, this point lies the tangent on the tangent Q. The Q is one of the point. This is lies on the XY tangent. Therefore, we join OQ. OQ is a one of the hypotenuse because angle OPQ. This is a highest side. OQ is always greater than OP because OP is the smallest distance. Therefore, OQ is greater than OP. OQ is longer than radius. OP is a radius, but O, this is a on the circle. Therefore, O, this is a, we take one of the point A means OA is the radius, OP is the radius. Therefore, this is larger than OA. Therefore, OQ is always greater than OP. Therefore, OP is the smallest distance. Therefore, OP must be perpendicular to tangent XY. This is the theorem 1. Next, in this theorem, we observe that the tangent at any point is always perpendicular to radius, and also we have to draw only one tangent at any point. How many exercise 10.1? How many tangents can a circle have? There are infinite number of tangents can the tangents have. That we have to draw infinite number of tangents to a circle. Fill in the blanks. A tangent to a circle intersect the circle at only one point. Dash point means one point. A line intersect a circle in 2 points is called secant to a circle. The third one, a circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most infinite number of parallel tangents can be drawn by in the one of the circle. The common point of a tangent to a circle and the tangent to a circle and the circle. The common point is point of contact. The common point for tangent to a circle and circle is the point of contact. Next, third question. The tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Therefore, Q through the center O is the center of the circle, P is a point of contact, Q is another line. Therefore, OQ is a 12 centimeter. Therefore, this is the hypotenuse. OP is the radius. Therefore, 5 centimeter. Therefore, hypotenuse is 12 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. Therefore, the PQ value is equal to OQ square minus OP square, means 12 square minus 5 square. 12 square means 144, 5 square is 25, 144 minus 25 is 119. Therefore, the value of PQ is square root of 119 centimeter. The option D is the correct answer. Next, fourth question. Draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is a tangent, one is another one is secant to a circle. First, we draw one of the circle and draw one of the circle Okay, students.